How to watch live football on YouTube TV with multiple streams. Step number 1, subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming devices like Roku, Chromecast, and Apple TV. You can stream on multiple devices at the same time, depending on your plan and settings. Step number 3, sign in to your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app on each device and sign in with your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4, use the picture-in-picture feature, optional. On compatible devices, YouTube TV allows you to use the picture-in-picture mode, which lets you watch multiple streams in small windows while you use other apps on your device. Step number 5, watch different live football games on different devices. You can stream live football on multiple devices by simply opening the YouTube TV app and navigating to different games. For example, you could watch one game on your smart TV and another one on your phone or tablet simultaneously. Step number 6, use the cloud DVR for multiple games. If there are multiple football games happening at once, use YouTube TV's cloud DVR feature to record games while you watch others. This allows you to watch one game live and come back to the recorded one later without missing anything. Step number 7, manage streaming on multiple devices. You can stream up to 3 devices simultaneously with one YouTube TV account. Keep in mind that if you try to stream more than 3 devices at once, you will need to upgrade to a higher tier plan or make sure other users are signed out of their devices.